guys, welcome back to my channel. So sorry I've been a bit MIA because I have a lot of assignments from college, all them things. Let's not talk about negativity. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing online shopping addiction, and I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, so first I'm gonna be unboxing this Bershka package. Okay, let me get the scissors real quick. I don't think you need. Yeah, you need the scissors. I've been shopping a lot online because there's nothing better to do. This isn't all of the packages I'm getting. I think I have 2 more packages on the way. Okay. What did I get? I got a lot of things. It's a bit heavy. Okay. Oh. So I got this cargo jeans, and it's like a creamy white color. Okay. Let me know if you want a try-on haul for these clothes. Okay, that's the first one. Ooh, there's a lot of dust. And second, oh, just to let you guys know, these are all like white, black, neutral colors. And this is the second thing I got. I got this cropped jumper, be like off the shoulder or whatever. I got is this basic crop top. There we go. Nice and simple, basic. Oh, and I got the same one in a different color. I got a cream color. It's like an off-white kind of easy vibes. There you go. And I got this another crop top. It's them chic ones you see online. Most people's style. I can't wait to try this on. And another crop top. I got this spaghetti strap kind of thing. It is color. What color is this? Doesn't say. I think it's like a tan-ish color. There you go. And the last thing I got is this white blouse. It's like a long sleeve, but it's very airy, and again, it's cropped because I love crop tops. If it's not crop tops, it's like oversized t-shirts. There's nothing in between. There you go. And that's all I got from Bershka. I have this box from Boots. I already opened it, but I didn't use anything yet. So, box from Boots. I got my St. Ives cleansing stick. This is my face wash. It's the one I use. It's really good because it leaves you glowy. It doesn't leave you all dried up. And yeah, I like it. It's like a solid form, and it's good when you're traveling, which I use quite a lot. I got Ordinary. It's my favorite, by the way. Most recommended product from Ordinary. From the Ordinary, the hyaluronic acid serum. And the last thing I got is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. I never tried this before, and I'm currently on the hunt for good under eye creams because I don't have a holy grail one at the moment. Have, oops, show you my address. Well, I have a Amazon box. Let me open this one real quick. What we got here is these plastic thingamajig Put that there. Okay, so first one I got is this mini colorful case. It's not for me, it's for my sister. Let's open it, as she recently had her birthday, the 13th, so she already has a Polaroid, and she wanted this one, got that, and I also got her this Instax films, the one with the decorations on it. It comes with a free photo album. That's good. I got a lamp. Well, this isn't for me, this is for my boyfriend. And I already have one. There, it's at my wall. There, you can see it. It's on my wall. That one, it's like a lightning bolt type of LED light. Got him that because he wanted one too. And I got this from Amazon as well. I didn't do an unboxing video for that. It's just, I think I got that package 2 weeks ago. I have this bag and hat rack. It's not for me, it's for my dad because he has a lot of baseball hats and he's just gonna hang them on the door. It will look like that, but with hats. And the last thing I got from Amazon is a ring light. So it's for my vlogging and all that. Better lighting, not gonna rely on my table lamp anymore. And I'm just gonna tell you guys what I got from the last Amazon package I got. I got this a 3-pack iPhone XR tempered glass because I always break mine. And I got a USB Type-C adapter. You can see I used it already. And what else did I got? Yeah, I got the light. This is my box where I kept it for the video. And I got a clear case for my laptop so I could put stickers on it. There you go. Because I don't want to be committed to putting those stickers on my actual laptop, so I got a clear one. Cute. I think that's it. Okay, so on to the rest of my day.
What is that?
So I got my third package. It is this Starlight Projector light. And let's see what's inside. It's a projector that you project to your ceiling and it shows like stars, galaxy, blah blah. Okay, so here's the instructions. I thought you were gonna... The sister's here. And there's a remote.
Wait, you see, like, oh.
Huh?
So you can like change like
Yeah.
the types of.
And there's the plug. And the projector. We'll try it out. We'll try it out tonight.
Yeah.
Here you go. So guys, in case you wanted to know what the Starlight Projector looked like when it's dark, so this is what it looks like when it's like in the dark. And there's the lightning bolt I was talking about. These are my LED strips. I got both of them from Amazon, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty, it's so relaxing. And with this remote I can change the colors or like mix them up. Like this is blue right now, and I can mix it up with red, which it will look like that. I swear I really recommend this Starlight Projector. It's so cool, it's so relaxing, especially when you're like, I'm lying in the bed there and I'm just staring at this. I swear to God, this creates a whole different type of ambience. My favorite one is the blue one because this makes me feel like I'm, you know, in the galaxy or underneath water, whatever. So yeah, that's the Starlight Projector.